YouTube? Welcome to another video. This is your boy Kai. We are back and we're picking up lumber right now. We're picking up lumber and we're trying to head to the destination. And we are in Maine. We all the way up to the northeast. We all the way up. Like we on top right now. And look, I wish I could stop here, but we gotta get going because this gotta be delivered on the 9th. So it's like, we really got, like as soon as we get this, we gotta get going. We gotta get like 400 miles just to be in the safe zone. But when I tell you, there is some lobster restaurants out here, and I'm a seafood guy. I am a seafood critic. So when I tell you I love me some lobsters, or I love me seafood, period. Well, Maine is the place to be. I'm like, dang, must be nice. And it's very nature out here. Like the nature, like it's very nature out here. I'm talking about nothing but trees, everything. It's kind of a good view, if you ask me. It's kind of a good view. All right, so she said, take it right until, keep going straight until y'all can't go straight no more. So that means make a right. Okay. Okay. I guess I'm going this way. I guess make another right. Big office, all right. Should I make a Yui?
Sorry?
Should I make a Yui?
Oh, you go check in first and then get turned around.
All right. What is it, the 9th? It's the 6th, it's the 6th. 9, 6. I put my life on these raps nobody lives on. All right, so that's what we getting. What up now? Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Oh God. Back it on up to the east side. Hold on, how you put the tarp up top though? Don't ask me, y'all. Good day to be a flatbedder, y'all. It's a good day to be a flatbedder. And it's beautiful out here. It's a good day to be a flatbedder. I don't see how some of y'all can do drive-in, you know, all that easiness. I mean, but I commend y'all because y'all still making America go around. Y'all doing y'all part. But it's just something about that flatbed. Now, it's hard work. Don't get it twisted. It is hard work. But, man, it's a day like this where it's just, you just feel good that you're a flatbedder. I'm in a good mood, a blissful mood. I'm blessed to be where the position that I'm in. Believe it or not, I'm fortunate. I could be hooked on drugs. I could be in a cell, looking at my neighbor. A lot of things, man, but I'm a truck driver. Alright, I guess I'll do that.
cool kid for the features. It ain't about the money that you probably can't reach us. Hey, and I put it on mamas. Do it for the soul, for the fam and the comments. Don't act, be chill with the drama. All you gotta do is be you and be honest. Eating on papaya with my main thing. Baby getting bread, I'm on the same thing. No rocks in it, what a plain Jane. Put my on, they used to gangbang. They be tryna play me like a new guy, but I'm buzzing in the apple like a fruit fly. I be somewhere in Seattle getting neck bone, and I'm really not the one that you should rest on. Uber eat Jamaican to the B&B. All the moves we making, they ain't seeing me. Rooftop bar for the scenery. I give a fuck about a mug and what it mean to me. I'm that saucy little from the middle, man. Told her baby box it for me, she gon' dribble that. Got some and a paper, got it mummy wrap. Got no minutes for the funny hat. Hey, and I put it on Caesars. All I got is certified Trump beaters. Charge a couple cool K for the features. It ain't about the money, then you probably can't reach us. Hey, and I put it on mamas. Do it for the soul, for the fam and the comments. Don't act, be chill with the drama.
He is getting better at this.
Be you and be honest. Understand, I'm from the middle, man. What you know about it, baby, riddle that. Heard a lot of rapping, very little fat. You the type of that we giggle at. Put all on my mouth, look like a chandelier. I'm about to disappear and make 100 grand appear. I'm about that cash money stunting like my daddy. Out in public, let me poke it on the patio. Couple shots of Henny, baby, I'm with anything. And if that run up on me, let the sing. I'm playing 2K with that say in my double phone. This for my clients, baby, hit me on my other phone. Pinstripe magic jersey like I'm Hardaway. I used to sweat for my money, found a smarter way. I'm hopping fresher than I'm like, what's happening? No, you can't hold me, I'm busting out the packaging.
So go to the car station.
And I put it on.
The other guy's probably down there, like I said, you'll just want to make sure if he's under it, just while he's spreading out his tarps, I just ask that you don't park in the middle of the road. The road is the pavement. Anything over here, you can wait over there, and hopefully he can move out of the way so that you can slide in there to spread out your tarps.
All right.
All right?
Thank you. All right, y'all. So we currently in Vermont right now. We at 1,000 miles, just above, like almost at 1,000. So we're gonna drive for like a couple more hours. We actually might drive until we hit like close to like stopping time. But we got 6 hours of driving. That's all there is. Just giving y'all a heads up on everything that is going on. I'm just going through traffic like it's supposed to. I'll tell you one thing, Hampshire and Maine, beautiful. I cannot say nothing wrong. They got like a vintage look, like an old look. It's like Pennsylvania, but I guess better. And you know, I seen a lot of people kayaking out here on the water that they got. Man, I'm like, wow, it's just beautiful out here. Look at, like, just look around. Welcome, welcome, welcome everybody. Just got done doing pre-trip. We in New York right now, and we about to ride out. I think we're gonna bang it out until we hit like at least an hour of driving. So it's gonna be one of them days, y'all. It's gonna be one of them days. If y'all made it this far to this video, drop a like, subscribe. Cause look, unlike the past couple of years,
1/2 mile, take exit 29.
we doing real
on the
good.
right.
We real consistent to the beat, you feel me? We real consistent to the beat. And it's only gonna continue to get better. It's foggy outside, it look bad out here. I stopped at like a rest stop, like below the half mark as far as fuel. So like the next time I see a Love's or whatnot, I'm taking that bait. It ain't like we in Maine, New Hampshire where there ain't got no gas for us truck drivers. All right, we made it to Love's. Now we finna grab some fuel, baby, yeah! I thought I was gonna never see the day. I thought I was finna be low on gas, y'all. I thought I was gonna be low on gas. Ooh. My ashy? Nope. Oh. Your boy doing this thing with the tarpon, y'all. And that's a big ass accomplishment. Repetition, baby, repetition. Everything look good, everything look good. I do gotta check them tires. The rain and got my windows cleared up, so we ain't gotta worry about that. Let me see about this. Oh man, the rain done cleared that dirt off. Yeah, I remember it was dirty like not so long ago. Well, that rain did some work. Let me see. Oh snap! That rain did its part. It's still a little dirty though. Look it up. Still a little dirty. A little razzle dazzle. Alright y'all, so it's lunchtime. It's 9:57 where I'm at. And I made a burrito. I made some stuff for my burrito for today. I wanted to eat it yesterday, but I was like, man, I'm tired. So I went and grabbed Chick-fil-A. And so I let yesterday be like my eat bad day. And this is what I was supposed to eat as far as like my eat bad day. Every week I choose a day to eat bad, but this is kind of healthy in a sense because I cooked it. And now I'm trying to figure out how to fold it. Steak and shrimp, brown rice with black beans. All it's missing: avocado, queso, and a little bit of cheese.
Keep left to I-90 West.
All right, y'all, we in Ohio. Come on, y'all, push the gas. And then look, this one just keeps pressing forward, knowing well they see me driving. Stupid. People can't drive, man, and people don't read. Ooh, look at that artwork. Hurry up. Yeah, man, people can't drive, man, and people can't see signal lights. So this is what you gotta work with. But we are in Ohio, and we like 400 miles away from our destination. So we probably got like at least 150 to maybe 200 more miles of driving left. And then we might take a 34-hour reset tomorrow. We might not. We might not. It's still kind of like, I'm still kind of debating. Like, I have a little bit of work day, but I gotta check my recycle cap just to see what I could do when I get my next load and head to Loretto. Because if I bang it out tomorrow, it'll be nothing but an easy drive. I can even wake up later if I need to. And I'm not even gonna lie, for some reason I've been tired, so I had to take a couple breaks, at least 2 so far. Like I had to take like a 15 to 30 minute nap, and I just had to just sit to the side. I don't know, today just been like an offish day. I mean, it was starting off good in the beginning, but it just kind of like wore out just a tad bit, just a tad bit. It's like we're kind of like hitting survival mode right now. Tad bit, just a tad bit. It's like we're kind of like hitting survival mode right now. I wouldn't lie. Every time I get past a baseball stadium, it just makes me want to go to a baseball game. Like, it's like when you look from the outside, it's pretty big, if you ask me. That's a big stadium. The Guardians. Sheesh. Alright, y'all. As you see, I'm on the side of the road. I saw my thing acting up, so we just kind of fixing it up a tad bit. I don't know what to do with this one. Boom, look. It's still in one piece. It ain't going nowhere, but I saw a little bit of flapping going on. So I might need to get another. Look, I ain't got no bungees. So I'm using literally all my bungees on this one tarp load. So I just got a strange feeling at any given moment. Like, all the bunches was just great out of nowhere.
Match it up even.
Alright, y'all, we made it to a Love's. I feel like I've been here before, and this might be a hard one. I feel like I've been to this Love's before. We're about to find out in about 2 minutes. Ooh, it looked like we got a lot of space. Oh, matter of fact, this is not a bad little parking spot. There's plenty of spaces over here. I'm tripping. Oh. God, dog. That was not supposed to happen, and I hope nobody's seen that. Good Lord, have mercy. We down there about to mess everything up. Lord, have mercy. I forgot you can't take a wide turn off that traffic light. Lord, have mercy. This is about as close as I'm gonna get. Y'all, we ain't gotta worry about parking today. It's always a good day when you find parking. It's even a better day when you ain't hitting nobody's truck. Good, yo, that tarp job is terrible. But I'm not even gonna let it stress me out. Cause you know why? You win some and you lose some and you live to fight another day.
You win some, you lose some. But you live to fight another day.
Good quote, Wayne, ain't it? Rest in peace to Pops. I'm not gonna lie, today can kiss my boy. I don't want to deal with it. But the kids are on and off. Oh, the trucking? Yeah.
Look, okay, I'm back, got fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a
Yeah.
like a dream.
Look, I was like, I don't see no truck next to me. I could do my thing right here. Let me know if I gotta move. Yeah, I believe so.
They cannot see me unless I'm on TV and times when they happen to turn on the news. I am not worried about you with the money, cause you cannot buy it with all of them views. I've been on tail.
But can I get my tarps right here and all that?
But I'm more paid.
Okay.
The door right there where it says receiving.
Yeah.
You're gonna back your trailer up to that door. There's yellow lines on the ground. Just back your trailer between those yellow lines.
Okay.
You should be okay here.
Set them up. Alright.
Popping that you
Good
claim
night.
you a saint. Do what they can and they
y'all,
hate what they
no.
ain't. But I am the greatest
Proud
that
of
ain't
you.
for debate. Raising the stakes and I'm beating them too. Hitters on deck, what you need them to do.
Look at door number 8.
Dog number 8?
Yeah. Before the stream, you know.
But can I do this?
Yeah, that's fine. This.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, where's dog number 8 at? That right there?
Yeah.
Okay, set them up.
My music be heat, I ain't missing a beat. I've been blessed with impeccable timing. Watch all them people who
You
friendly
guys devote your
turn
time,
into
you
envy
guys devote
whenever
your time
they
to
see that
editing,
shining.
you know,
Okay,
coming up with
I'm back,
ideas.
fresh on the scene, franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a
I'm already
dream.
knowing.
Back out fresh on the scene, franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a New life is something like a dream. New life is something like a fresh on the scene, franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream.
Alright. I believe they on lunch break. So, with that being said, we finna end this video right here. Call it a done data. Hold on. Let me get inside. Oh man. Ooh, child. I cut my hair, facial hair. I'm trying to see if I look decent, you know. And my first time, man. First time for everything, man. When you out here on the road, you're learning how to survive for real. And I was looking a hot mess. So, yeah, man. So I'm finna cut the video short. This is it. I will see y'all in the next video, man. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, man. And that's it.